by E.J. Lewis, illustrated by Shallow Cook. The Farmer and the Purple Bird. Hello, bird. Lee, May, and Corby see a bird on the beach. It is a big purple bird. The bird and the F's go to a farm. They see an old barn and some corn. They see a farmer and his sister. The farmer and his sister like the F's. They give the F's some cornbread. The farmer and the F's go to a store. They see a jar, a skirt, and a shirt. The farmer and his sister watch the start with the F's. It's time to go, says Lee. Let's help the farmer and his sister, says May. Thank you. They have a new barn and lots of corn. The F's gets on the purple bird. They fly up into the sky. Learn the phonics words. Listen and repeat. Barn, farm, farmer, yard, start, sister, bird, shirt, skirt, corn, stored, purple. The farmer and the purple bird. Thank you.